Welcome to the demonstration of LTE carrier aggregation solution. First, let us see why the carrier aggregation is required. Due to the limitation with the bandwidth, there are some serious constraints for the operators to service ever increased customers. Carrier aggregation is used in order to increase the bandwidth and thereby increase the data rates. When carriers are aggregated, each carrier is referred as a component carrier. There are two types of component carriers. One is primary component carrier. This is the main carrier in the group. Second one is secondary component carrier. There may be one of more secondary component carriers in the group. This is the diagram to brief about the setup. Here we can see two chassis, one for E node B and one for UE. Both E node B and UE chassis are having MAC, which is running on KVM CA card, and multiple PHYs which are running on TI COM agility cards and one MCH. E node B and UE are connected through DENSI cable for SRIO communication. Step 1 for this demonstration is data transfer with carrier aggregation with two component carriers. Here the UE is receiving data over both primary and secondary cells. Step 2 for this demonstration is data transfer without carrier aggregation. Here the UE is receiving data over only primary cell. This is TATA ELXSI carrier aggregation test bench. It consists of E node B and UE, each running LTE protocol stack which supports carrier aggregation. Both E node B and UE are up and running. Now the test bench is ready to start the data transfer. Here UE is receiving data over both primary and secondary component carrier links. Because of increase in bandwidth, the video is good in quality. Now the link to the secondary component carrier is broken, causing the reduction in bandwidth. The resulting packet loss causes impair in quality of the video. Now the link to the secondary component carrier is restored, causes increase in bandwidth and allowing the video to recover. So TATA ELXSI LTE protocol stack is capable of doing carrier aggregation with more than two component carriers, and in this way increase the overall transmission bandwidth and thereby increase the data rates.